Have you seen that new episode of Boardwalk Empire?
Nope.
Oh, it was good.
Cool. God damn it!
What?
It's these fucking hiccups, man. I just can't get. Shit!
Did you try drinking water?
Yeah, but.
Well, has anyone tried scaring? Has anyone tried scaring you yet?
No.
Oh.
Ah! Holy shit! What the hell, man?
Did it work?
I guess. Holy shit, man! You scared the disease out of me.
I don't know if hiccups are a disease. What? Stop.
Come with me. Ah! Did it work?
Doesn't look like it. Want to go watch Boardwalk Empire?
Nope.
You lost your will, son, like Tom Hanks, cast away. Don't have to live late minutes, but you would rather have the way.